Guys, what's up? Welcome back. We're at the Boxo USA booth here at the Sand Sport Super Show 2021. I got something I want to show you guys because obviously UTV channel, UTV related. We have a UTV tool bag on the go. We have my man Trent. How you doing, bro?
Doing well, man.
Hey, thank you for inviting me over here.
Oh no, thanks for swinging by.
He's gonna show us it's called UTV tool bag, right?
Yeah, so this is actually start off as our UTV Tool Roll. So if you're ever on the Boxo website, it's now Universal Tool Roll, just a lot of applications. So if you want to search it, part number PA915. So quick rundown on this roll. Starts off looking just like this. It's about 16 pounds, folds up really nice. Then when you lay it out, you have this full view right here. Everything from your 8mm all the way to 19s. We built this to run on a UTV platform. So whether you're looking at axle sockets, your torques to take apart your plastics, we have the 1/4 and 3/8 ratchets over here. We basically assembled this so that way there's a quick grab and go solution. You have the tools in your vehicle, you're able to leave them there, and then you don't necessarily need to pull from your box back at home, maybe forget a tool, lose something in the dirt. You just have it in one centralized location. Everything here comes with a lifetime warranty as well. So whether you're using this ratchet and you end up by getting a bunch of dirt on it since you're working on it in the desert and it starts binding up, all you have to do is send us an email. We go out, send you the replacement, and then there's no need to send anything in. Trying to make it quick, simple, get everything in your hands so that way you could go out and ride. So, I mean, basically these retail at $385. We're going to have a special code set up, GLIFE UTV, for all the viewers and subscribers. Get an extra discount on top of that. And then feel free to reach out to us direct as well if you have any question.
Discount code, you believe that? Trent, thank you again.
Hey, no worries.
We're gonna show us the viewers some of the other stuff you guys have because when it comes to OCD, this is on the level of OCD.
Dude, look at the drawer right below you.
Okay, check it out. Let's do this. Show me around, show me around.
So, nice posi latch. This is sort of a little bit of everything that we got going on. Over here at Boxo, we do sell tools just individually without foam, but one of the best things is having everything nice, organized. It's all got a home. So you could just take a quick look and you could see that, I mean, the 10mm. Where is it? All right, you got it right here. If that thing's missing, you know it's gone. So
the 10mm, the infamous 10mm.
Dude, I mean, it's one of those.
You guys have everything hooked up here, but I guarantee you one of these boxes is missing a 10mm.
Oh, that's fine, dude. I'm telling you, I got the answers to all the questions. We have the emergency 10mm.
Oh my God.
I mean, whether you're looking at impacts, swivels, combination wrenches, we got it all right
I have never seen anybody make this. This is a must-have for anyone.
Oh man.
The emergency 10mm. Yeah. Wow, that's cool.
Yeah,
so
man.
the box, it's got more drawers, right, full of stuff?
Oh yeah. I mean, if you want to go through, we have, whether you're talking about hammers, punches, screwdrivers,
pliers. And I was showing you guys some of the B-roll earlier of these miniature boxes that are very similar. Obviously not as many tools, but also in the same organization OCD, I would say, feature, which is really, really nice. What do we have on this side? It's like, is there a cabinet?
Yeah, so this is actually a full workstation. So you're going to get normal toolbox goes against the wall, and we sell a lot of products just like that you guys may have seen. But this one's cool because since it's a workstation, think of it as a very large service cart. So if you don't have the worktop, you have this. This is perforated panels. We sell hangers for whether it's impact guns.
I mean, extension cord.
Yes, exactly. And then, you know, you've got around the side, since it's probably going to be more in a bay, go here, you got drawers along. It's all super clean and organized. Then, you know.
That's pretty interesting. We've seen, me being in a automotive dealership as my, 8 to 5 job. I used to see some of these boxes from the older guys, but they kind of went away, and Boxo's bringing them back as far as the design with the drawers on one side and the drawers on the opposite kind of side. That's actually really cool. Everything looks like it's locked by pin, pretty much.
Yeah, so one of these nice features is
cool.
We have the combination lock. So, I mean, if you're going to run around and you're going back and forth between your shop and home, odds are you might forget a key. So we got the combo right here. Go ahead, you lock it. But I mean, if you forget the combination, you got the key, and then vice versa. So it's basically a double security system. So that way you're always got your bases covered.
Let me tell you, I forgot my key probably 10 to 15 times out of the year. And I'm asking a friend to let me borrow my spare, and Yeah, this is pretty convenient. So
Yeah.
even for you guys in the automotive industry, I know the tool trucks come to the shops, but this is an amazing option. And for us in the UTV industry, this is the way to go. The perfect bag. I want to add something that Trent didn't really specify. This is probably the lightest package with all the tools needed that you're going to need for Polaris and Can-Am, because that's kind of what they shot for.
Yep, so we covered the Polaris and Can-Am. I mean, we assembled a vehicle specifically with this roll to be able to just prove and test it. But we have a lot of people that are using them in Hondas, Kawasaki's, and the Yamahas as well. It's just you might need to add, for example, like an axle nut in there, just since there is a little bit of a variety. But we also do sell the individual tools, so we're able to supply that. Or if you have it, you're able to add it in. So that's like why we have the extra pouches as well. This was in R&D for a year before we even put it out there. So basically, like, we gave this to industry professionals, whether it's like guys like us that like to go and ride all the time, or, you know, people like Adrian, who's here earlier with Rancho Racing, that is actually out doing the Baja 1000. This is a roll that he carried, and then we really worked from, all right, what do we have here that we are missing, and what do we have that might be excessive that we can remove?
And add and delete as you guys win.
Exactly. So that way you're really looking at the tools that you need, and then it does save weight like you brought up earlier. But in case there's anything that, you know, we may miss, we have a lot of people that will go ahead and they'll put clutch tools in here, zip ties, a little bit of those miscellaneous ones.
And it'll land right here as you roll it up. That's actually a really good idea. A lot of people will make, you know, not a lot of people, but a lot of companies might come out with a toolkit, but they might miss the ball when it comes to extra storage for the tools that might not come in that toolkit.
Well, I mean,
so that's cool.
We're all putting aftermarket parts on our vehicles.
Of course, yeah.
So like with aftermarket parts comes different hardware than factory. A lot of it is overlapping, but in those times that there's something different, you do have the space for it.
That is very nice. Cool. And I noticed your machine over there.
Oh yeah.
Very nice. We'll get a little bit of B-roll towards the end of this video, so you guys can check out Trent's X3. Who had a hand in that besides yourself? Because I know you worked on it.
Yeah, so I did a lot of the work, but I mean, I have some people that I gotta throw a big thank you out to. So I mean, people that did a lot of work was Jeffrey's Performance over there.
Shout out to RJ.
Yep, shout out RJ, Shock Therapy. But then I gotta give a huge thank you to everyone over at TMW, Sparco, Baja Designs, Rugged Radios. I mean, I have a very strong team that went into making that vehicle happen. And I mean, everyone in this industry is just very friendly as it is, but being able to have those relationships and then, you know, make stronger ones through that build, I mean, everyone's just so kind.
Yeah, no, it looks nice. Yep. So we'll get you guys some shots so you guys can see that. I think we're gonna end it here. Yep. Big shout out to Trent and Boxo USA for showing me around, showing me the tool bag. Of course, man. Definitely check this out on their website. Is it boxousa.com? Yep, so boxousa.com. Check out the website. And then don't forget, the G-Life UTV code save you an extra percentage off at checkout. So that way, you know, we take care of everyone that watches your videos and supports you. And we have, you know, just being able to offer people that are taking care of the industry. Yep. Good discounts. Thank you, Trent, again. Hey, no worries. Have a good one. We'll see you around. Enjoy the show. Peace out. Bye. See you guys. Stay dirty.